Hello everyone, welcome back with another new topic on Microsoft Azure. Today's session we are going to discuss about Azure Key Vault. We will understand the basic concept of Azure Key Vault and its uses. What is Azure Key Vault? Azure Key Vault is a cloud service for securely storing and accessing secrets. A secret is anything that you want to tightly control access to, such as API keys, password, certificates, or cryptographic keys. Key Vault supports two types of containers: vaults and managed hardware security module pools. Vault supports storing software and SCM backend keys, secrets, and certificates. And managed SCM pools only support SCM backend. Azure Key Vault enables Azure subscriber to safeguard and control cryptographic keys and other secrets used by cloud apps and services. Azure Key Vault provides two types of containers. In first container, vaults are storing and managing cryptographic keys or certificates or secrets and storage account keys. And in managed SCM pool for storing the managed SCM backend cryptographic keys. To elaborate further, the Microsoft Azure Key Vault focus on security of below areas. Key management. The Azure Key Vault service can be used to manage the encryption keys for data encryption or decryption. In certificate management, the Azure Key Vault service enables you to provision, manage, and deploy SSL or TLS certificate for use of Azure integration services. In secret management, the Azure Key Vault service can be used to securely store and control access of secret such as authentication key or storage account key or passwords, tokens, API keys, .pfx file, and other secrets. Let's see the Key Vault pricing. Microsoft offers the following tier based on the key protection: standard tier, premium tier. In a standard tier, it uses software vaults for storing and managing cryptographic keys, secrets, certificates, and storage account keys. In premium tier, it uses a managed SCM pool for storing and managing HSM backend cryptographic keys. To know more about Key Vault pricing, kindly visit azure.microsoft.com portal where you can understand the pricing tier. How to authenticate an application with Key Vault. So there are multiple ways to authenticate an application with the Key Vault. Either you can use managed identity for Azure resources, or service principal and certificates, or service principal and secret. In this session, we will see in the detail. Azure Key Vault REST API details. Using the REST API, we can perform the different operations and populate the result. To know more about the Azure Key Vault REST API reference, kindly visit Microsoft Doc page where it is listed all the operations which we can perform using the REST API. Let's see how we can create the Azure Key Vault. So for that, first we have to log in Microsoft Azure portal. It will open the landing page. Here, what we will do, we will create the Azure Key Vault. So first, either you can search it here, Key Vaults, click on Key Vault icon, and either you can click on this plus icon, plus create, or you can simply create here on this button, create Key Vault. Okay, so for this demo purpose, I have this resource group Azure Training Demo. I'll select that, and here Azure Key Vault name, I'll pass my Key Vault demo 2. I'm selecting the region East US, and in pricing tier, if you can see, we have two pricing tiers, either standard or premium. So I'll use a standard pricing tier. If you can see here, we have this option, days to retain delete vaults, 90 days I'll keep as default, and purge protection I'll keep the default value. Move to the access policy. So in access policy, just have to validate you have the proper permission. So just open the permission. If you can see, we all have, it's listed for all the operations we can perform: get, list, update, create, import, everything. And we can have this rotation policy operation also checked in. If you can see here, privilege key operations, we have this purge option is not selected. I'll discuss in the later session. Moving to the secret permissions. So here I have the secret management. I have list, it's selected for all the operations. In certificate permission, if you can see, it's selected all the operations. So we'll keep all the permission as it is, and let's click on next tab, networking. I'll keep it default values. In tags, I'm not going to add anything. Let's click on next, review and create. It is doing the validation check, validation pass. Click on create, and it has started the deployment in progress. So within a minute, it should complete the deployment, and we will able to see our key vault generation. Deployment has been succeeded. We'll go to the resource. Perfect, and our key vault has been generated. That's it for this session. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned the basic concept of Azure Key Vault and its uses. If you have any query or any question, please feel free to contact.